Lesson: Measuring solution performance. Measuring solution performance is a critical component of business analysis, particularly within the framework of the Certified Business Analysis Professional certification. This process involves assessing the effectiveness and efficiency of a solution in meeting business objectives and stakeholder needs. In the realm of solution evaluation, professionals are tasked with the responsibility of ensuring that the solutions delivered not only solve the identified problems, but also add measurable value to the organization. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that can be directly implemented by professionals to measure solution performance effectively. At the heart of measuring solution performance is the need to define clear, measurable objectives. These objectives serve as the benchmark against which the performance of a solution is evaluated. A useful tool in this context is the SMART criteria, which ensures that objectives are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Applying the SMART framework allows business analysts to set objectives that are not only clear and precise, but also aligned with the broader goals of the organization. For instance, if a company implements a new customer relationship management system, a SMART objective might be to increase customer satisfaction scores by 20% within 6 months. Once objectives are established, key performance indicators are utilized to measure the solution's performance against these objectives. KPIs are quantifiable metrics that provide insights into how well a solution is performing. Selecting appropriate KPIs is crucial, as they must accurately reflect the success factors of the solution. Techniques such as the balanced scorecard can be employed to ensure a holistic approach to performance measurement. The balanced scorecard, developed by Kaplan and Norton, emphasizes measuring performance from 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal business processes, and learning and growth. By using this framework, organizations can evaluate a solution's performance comprehensively and ensure that all critical areas are addressed. In practical terms, business analysts often face challenges in data collection and analysis when measuring solution performance. Advanced tools like business intelligence software can facilitate this process by providing real-time data analytics and visualization capabilities. BI tools enable analysts to track KPIs, generate reports, and identify trends that may indicate areas for improvement. For example, a company using a BI tool might discover that a new software solution has reduced processing time for customer orders by 30%, thereby improving operational efficiency. Case studies illustrate the practical application of these concepts. Consider a multinational retail corporation that implemented a new inventory management system. The SMART objectives were to reduce stockouts by 15% and decrease excess inventory by 10% within a year. By employing KPIs such as stockout frequency, inventory turnover ratio, and carrying cost, the company was able to measure the solution's performance effectively. The data collected through their BI system revealed that stockouts decreased by 20% and excess inventory was reduced by 12%, surpassing the initial objectives. This case exemplifies how setting clear objectives, selecting relevant KPIs, and using advanced tools can lead to successful solution evaluation. Another critical aspect of measuring solution performance is stakeholder engagement. Stakeholders provide valuable insights into the solution's effectiveness and its impact on their roles. Techniques such as surveys, interviews, and focus groups can be used to gather qualitative data from stakeholders. This data complements the quantitative metrics obtained from KPIs, offering a more comprehensive view of the solution's performance. For instance, after deploying a new sales platform, a company might conduct surveys with its sales team to gauge their satisfaction with the system and identify any usability issues. The feedback obtained can highlight areas for improvement that may not be apparent through quantitative analysis alone. Continuous improvement is a core principle in solution performance measurement. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle, developed by Deming, is a valuable framework for driving ongoing improvements. This iterative process involves planning changes, implementing them, checking the results, and acting on what is learned to make further enhancements. In the context of solution evaluation, The PDCA cycle encourages organizations to continuously monitor solution performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes to optimize outcomes. For example, a company might use the PDCA cycle to iteratively refine a digital marketing strategy, measuring performance through KPIs such as conversion rates and customer engagement metrics. Statistical techniques can also enhance the measurement of solution performance. Regression analysis, for example, can identify relationships between variables and determine the impact of certain factors on solution outcomes. By analyzing historical data, regression models can predict future performance and guide decision-making. A financial institution might use regression analysis to assess the impact of a new loan approval process on the time taken to approve loans. By understanding these relationships, the institution can make data-driven decisions to further streamline the process. Moreover, benchmarking is a valuable practice in solution performance measurement. By comparing a solution's performance against industry standards or competitors, organizations can identify areas for improvement and set realistic performance targets. Benchmarking provides insights into best practices and helps organizations stay competitive in their respective industries. For instance, a healthcare provider might benchmark its patient satisfaction scores against national averages to determine areas where it can enhance service quality. In summary, measuring solution performance is a multifaceted process that involves setting clear objectives, selecting appropriate KPIs, utilizing advanced tools and techniques, engaging stakeholders, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. By applying frameworks such as SMART criteria, the balanced scorecard, and the PDCA cycle, business analysts can effectively evaluate and enhance the performance of solutions. Real-world examples and case studies demonstrate the practical application of these concepts and underscore their importance in achieving organizational success. As organizations strive to remain competitive and deliver value, the ability to measure and improve solution performance becomes an indispensable skill for business analysts.